An old electrical panel should not be used as a junction box. Electrical panels are specifically designed and approved to distribute electricity safely and efficiently throughout a building. They are not designed to serve as junction boxes, and attempting to do so could create a significant safety hazard. Firstly, electrical panels are engineered with built-in safety features to protect building occupants from electrical hazards such as shocks, fires, and explosions. These features include circuit breakers and fuses that are designed to trip or blow in the event of an electrical fault. Repurposing an old electrical panel as a junction box could compromise these critical safety mechanisms, putting the occupants at risk. Secondly, electrical panels are subject to installation and maintenance regulations outlined in the Electrical Code. The Electrical Code explicitly prohibits using electrical panels as junction boxes. Therefore, using an old electrical panel for this purpose would be a direct violation of the Electrical Code, potentially resulting in fines or other penalties. Thirdly, insurance companies recognize the inherent risks associated with using electrical panels as junction boxes. If such a modification leads to a fire or other damage, your insurance company may deny your claim. To properly move a residential panel, you must follow a specific procedure. 1. Turn off the electricity at the main breaker to ensure your safety during the process. 2. Remove the cover of the electrical panel to gain access to the internal wiring. 3. Carefully disconnect all of the wires from the electrical panel, making sure to label them for reconnection. 4. Remove the electrical panel from the wall, taking care to avoid damaging any surrounding structures or wiring. 5. Install a new, code-compliant electrical panel at the designated new location. 6. Connect all of the wires to the new electrical panel, ensuring each wire is correctly placed according to your labeling. 7. Once all connections are verified and secure, turn on the electricity at the main breaker. Remember, this is only a general overview of the process. It is crucial to consult with a qualified electrician before attempting to move a residential panel. An electrician can assess the specific situation, ensure compliance with local codes, and perform the work safely and correctly.